How to reduce high cart abandonment rate. 0. Are visitors adding products to the cart but not completing the checkout? It's called abandoned cart, a very common issue every e-commerce store faces. But don't worry, today I'll share 100% working solutions to help reduce the abandoned cart ratio. Why do visitors abandon carts without purchasing? Before fixing the issue, we need to understand the root cause. Why are users leaving their carts? High shipping costs. Unexpected shipping charges at checkout make users leave. Complicated checkout process. If there are too many steps or no guest checkout, users get frustrated and abandon the cart. Slow website speed. Users will exit if the checkout page takes too long to load. Limited payment options. If users don't find their preferred payment method, they won't complete the purchase. Trust issues. If there are no security badges or customer reviews, users will hesitate to enter payment details. How to solve all these issues and reduce the abandoned cart ratio, first of all. Fix shipping charges issue. Show free shipping on orders above, decide certain amount, in a banner. Avoid hidden charges and display the shipping cost up front. Next, make the checkout process simple. Enable guest checkout, because not everyone wants to create an account. Use autofill options and let users enter details quickly and effortlessly. Moreover, optimize checkout page speed and expand more payment options. How can you expand payment methods? Offer debit credit cards, wallets, online transfers, and cash on delivery. Allow a one-click payment save option. Additionally, build trust to increase conversions. How? Add secure payment badges, SSL, money-back guarantee, trusted brand reviews. Show customer reviews and testimonials. Lastly, create or use retargeting and re-engaging emails. Send abandoned cart emails. Send personalized WhatsApp messages. Run retargeting ads. If you apply these strategies, you can significantly reduce cart abandonment and recover lost sales. If you need help improving your e-commerce conversions, contact me at performancemarketingmentor@gmail.com. Please share, like, and subscribe for more marketing tips.